In this video, we will see how to create a sunburst chart in Tableau. We are going to visualize the sales based on category and subcategory on a sunburst chart, because using a sunburst chart, we can actually visualize hierarchical data. For that, let us first create a pie chart based on category and sum of sales. So dragging the category to color marks card. Now changing this to pie. Now we have a pie chart based on category and it is only colored. Now we want the angle based on sum of sales. So dragging the sum of sales to angle. Now we have a pie chart for which coloring is based on category and the size of angle is based on sum of sales, and changing it to entire view. Now we want to duplicate this pie chart so that we can place one pie chart over the other and finally create a sunburst chart. Now in order to duplicate the pie chart, we have to create a measure, because we want a axis which we can then dual axis and place one pie chart over the other. Now for that we are going to create a calculated field. The field name is 0 and the value will be 0. Click on OK. Now we have created a 0 measure. Now dragging this 0 measure to column shelf, and we have a new axis that is created. Now again dragging the 0 to column shelf. Now the pie chart will be duplicated. Also, let me increase the size of the pie chart. Okay. Now we have pie chart which is duplicated because we have two different axes based on the sum of 0 measure. Now we wanted to introduce the second dimension, which is the subcategory dimension. For that we are going to choose the second sum of 0, that is the second axis. So here into the detail marks card we are going to drag the subcategory dimension. Going to drag the subcategory to detail marks card and changing this to color. Now this is completed. Now what we want to do is click on this sum of 0 drop down and click on dual axis. Now we have placed one pie chart over the other, but the first pie chart which is created based on the category and sum of sales now has got disappeared. Now in order to bring that back, just revert this axis. Now it will come back. And now let us increase the size of the second pie chart which is created based on the sum of sales and category subcategory dimension. Sorry, the first one, because yeah, we have reversed it. Yeah, now increasing the size of this pie chart. Yes, also let us adjust the size of the pie chart based on category and sum of sales. Yeah, now we have created this. Now let us color this properly and also give some proper labeling for the sunburst chart. Now edit color. So furniture bookcase, it's blue color, so it is looking good. Now let us change this red and green to red alone. So selecting all four. Now let us change this to, yeah, ASEAN palette. Apply. Okay. Now let us give some label to the sunburst chart. So let us take the subcategory and label, click on, put it inside the label marks card. Also sum of sales into the label marks card. Also let us give label to the inner pie chart also. For that, take the second marks card and drag the category to label, and again we can actually, sorry, drag this technology, that is the label, inside the particular pie chart. Now similarly let us drag this furniture label. Similarly let us take this office supplies label also. Also let us adjust the size a little bit so that it looks better. Okay. Also, let us hide the axis. We don't want to show the header also. Yeah. So now we have completed creating our sunburst chart. And this is how we create a sunburst chart in Tableau.